Hi, Marissa. For your assignment today, let me get my screen presenting really quick, but hopefully you've checked, obviously you're in your email. You need to follow the link in your email. I'm sure you can handle that completely, but the link will be here. It's right below the video, which will show up in your email. So once you follow that, your assignment will look something like this. We are going to go through an example together, and then you're going to do 1, 2, 3 climate zones on your own. So again, this is the climate zone assignment. Mrs. Lalonde assigned last week. Everyone was supposed to kind of work on it on their own time. She is providing work time today, so you'll have that time to work on it. But you're going to do the tropical wet climate, the Mediterranean, and the highland climate. So just 3. I'm going to go through tundra with you as an example. So you can see below each of these, there is a blue link. What you need to do is follow those links. So I'm going to click on it and go to that website. While that's loading, let's go back. So you need to find 4 total things for each of these. First, where is it located? Second, the temperature range, so in that location, does it range from 60 degrees to 80 degrees, whatever, and I'll show you how to find that. And then fact 1 and fact 2. So these can be anything at all that you find interesting. That's taking a minute to load. I already have it loaded, so let's go to this. So once you click it, you will see that this website actually has, in this blue box, has all the different climate types. Again, you're only doing 3, but you can click through here if you'd like. I want to show you, as you scroll through here, there is a section for each of these, and it says, so this one says, where is the humid tundra climate located? So located is that key word. You're going to be looking for this section. And in that section, you can honestly so it says tundra climate is usually found between the 60 to 75 degree latitude lines. The tundra climate is mainly found along the coast of the Arctic Ocean. So what I'm going to do is highlight that. I'm going to hit Control-C or right-click, copy, whichever you prefer. I'm going to go back to my Google Doc, and I'm going to Control-V or right-click, paste into this box. So where it's located, check, done. Back to my website then. So now I'm looking for temperature range. Again, if you keep scrolling down, you can probably skip this one. It says what seasons does, whichever climate. I'm doing tundra. What seasons does it have? I'm going to skip over that right now, and I'm going to look for the section that talks about temperatures. And then again, I'm going to skim read. So winters are very harsh in the tundra climate. Winter month temperatures, keyword, are usually between -18 and -50. Summer temperatures range from 35 to 50 degrees. So that's the information I need. That's temperature range. So I'm going to highlight those 2 sentences. Again, I'm going to just, Control-C, go back to my homework, Control-V. So where it's located, temperature, check, check. So 2 facts, anything I find interesting. This can be from any of these sections on the page. So whatever you think. I like plants. I have lots of plants at home, so that's interesting to me. So it says the permafrost or frozen soil prevents any trees from growing here. So that's interesting. I think the tundra has no trees. I'm going to use that for one of my facts. So I'm going to highlight it, copy paste. Next to fact number 1, there I go. I'm going to go back and find a second fact. Precipitation. So that's talking about rain. All right, that works. Let's see. So it says tundra climates receive very low levels of precipitation, between 5 to 15 inches every year. So I'm just going to, again, Control-C, go back to mine for fact 2, Control-V. Put a period at the end of that, done. Again, you could have picked any 2 things. So maybe you wanted to go back up here. Maybe seasons interest you, so you want to talk about the seasons for one of your facts. So you could have said, during summer, much of the snow and ice melts, and it forms soggy marshes and bogs. Maybe you could have done that. Or you could have scrolled down here. What kind of animals? Maybe you like animals. So you could do your facts about animals. So it says the main animals found there are polar bears, musk ox, Arctic fox. So you get the idea. So what you need to do now, that example will stay there for you. You need to fill out tropical wet climate, Mediterranean, and highland climate. Again, all you need to do is click on these links It'll take you right to the link for that specific climate. Scroll to the section that matches with location. Scroll to the section that matches with temperature. And then find 2 facts. You can copy and paste everything. So that will take care of this assignment. Let me know if you have any questions.